Hey folks, welcome to the Clicker Cabin Mini Farm. So today what we're going to do is a little maintenance on my 22-inch Weber grill. The ash cleaning system in the bottom has all rusted solid. I can't even move the mechanism, and besides that, one of the little fins is totally rusted off. So what we're going to do today is fix that up. Come on along, we'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy and quick, simple fix. Obviously you want to clean your grill all out completely, get all the ash and everything out of there. I'm going to scrub this all up after I do the maintenance. Real simple. Once you get it all cleaned out and you get the charcoal grate out and the main grate out, just turn it upside down. You can take off the ash catcher. And then this gives you access to the handle here down on the bottom, which, like I say, is totally rusted solid. Okay, this is what you're going to need. I use a little bit of PB Blaster penetrating catalyst, which is a lubricant that will loosen up any rust. Just spray that on there, let it set for 10 or 15 minutes, and that'll help loosen things up. Some kind of a pair of pliers, water pump pliers, any kind of pliers, little teeny hammer, and basically that's all you're going to need. And then you, of course, got your new part. This is available on Amazon for about $10.99. It's a generic version. You can buy the Weber grill one for $24 if you want to, but I'll put a link below for you for this little $10.99 one. Looks very high quality, and I think it's going to work just fine. I'd already sprayed it with WD-40 and wiped it all up. Now what you want to do is you just want to tap on it a little bit and knock off any rust and try to loosen your handle here if you can. Use your pliers to try to move it back and forth if you can. Tap on it some more. And once you get it to move, you're going to need to spin it in a specific direction in order to be able to get it out of the holder here. And that's going to be it, just about there. But I'll show you here what I mean. On the actual handle here is a little keyway. You can see it. That slides into the little slot there and comes out. So you've got to be able to turn your handle a certain way to be able to line that up, and you might not be able to easily see it with the rust that's on the bottom there. But once you line it up completely, you should be able to tap a hammer on this side to be able to get the handle back out of there in order to take the assembly apart. Okay, I've got it loosened. Now hopefully we should be able to just tap this out if we can. There we go. It's coming. Okay, totally out. Now, you've got to be able to pop these pieces apart. You should be able to tap this with a hammer and get that to fall through. There you go. This little trim piece comes off, and then all the other parts fall out onto the ground. All right, the new ash sweeper comes in 6 different parts. So basically you can see on each one of these little fins they're numbered 1, 2, and 3. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pretty much set this all up so that what's going to happen is this is the part that goes inside the grill. So you're going to set that upside down. You're going to take your number 1 and put it on here first. Take your number 2, put it on there next. Take your number 3 and put that on last. Okay, so now what's going to happen, this is going to go inside the grill like this, and then you're going to put this part up on the bottom and then the handle. Once you have this inside, you should be able to set your grill over sideways. Hold this in with your hand. Line this up so that it fits on the side that you want it to with the little keyway. And slide the little handle up in there. You're going to have to put some pressure on it in order to push it down in because it's going to be kind of spring-loaded. And that's all there is to it. So it's just that easy, folks. So a couple suggestions while doing this. Number one, wear old crappy clothes. You're going to get greasy and covered with charcoal doing this. I did clean the grill first, which made it a little bit easier. Now, what's really important is make sure you clean that bottom surface, both on the inside of the bottom kettle and on the bottom of the kettle. So outside on the bottom and inside on the bottom. Clean that very, very well. Put a little bit of oil on it before you do this, and then that'll help that slide in there in the future. Now, one of the things in the future with these things is move that thing a lot. Don't leave it one place after you've grilled, after leaving the charcoal in there and the ashes. Keep that thing moving. The more you keep it moving, the more it'll stay lubricated. I'm as bad as everybody else. I just kept throwing charcoal in there, lighting up the fire, let the ashes build up in the bottom, left the ashes in there over the winter, didn't use the grill a lot, and then all of a sudden the little ash cleaners don't work. So just a tip. Now, the next thing we're going to do on this grill is we're going to add a thermometer up here on the other side. That's going to be in another video. We're going to be smoking some bacon. I was able to find some local pork belly, and we're curing it right now. And what I'm going to want to do is make sure that I get the right temperature on the inside of the grill in order to be able to season that bacon perfectly. Again, another video, 2 videos coming up. I'm going to show you the thermometer being installed, where to install it. There's a lot of controversy about where it's supposed to go, but I'm going to tell you where I think it needs to go and where the manufacturer wants it to go. And then the next video after that is going to be us smoking some bacon and checking out the bacon. So stop back and see us here at the Clear Creek Cabin Mini Farm. Love to have you become regular members of our family. Please subscribe when you get a minute. Give the video a thumbs up, and God bless you till the next time we see you.